name is Nick, and I'm really enjoying and happy to present you a sister today. Our team is building automated real-time development relationship agent powered by AI. There is a huge elephant in the rooms, and no one is talking about that we have more than 30 million software developers worldwide, but only 20,000 of them are contributed to Web3. And I have been head of ecosystem growth in one of the protocol, and I know how it's complicated to provide support to community if they want to build something. And developer success, Web3 success, it's not only about like ideas that you have or just about speculation of token. It's about knowledge management. It's about onboarding developers. It's providing them support. And we need to have all in place. Web2 folks and companies, they had 30 years to build all this tech and support their community. We are doing it right now. If we want to have high dev retention, if we want to see developers successfully implement their projects on different ecosystems, we need to support them. And existing technology management and developer support, it really sucks. So developer usually needs smooth onboarding, up-to-date documentation, and timely support. We already working with Solana as design partner, and we see that they have 12 DevRel engineers, 3,000 community. Most of their support is manual through Discord or Telegram, and they are responding same question day by day, again and again. And they are spending 2 million annual budget for this manual support. What it means, it's a single source of truth, because if developer comes, they won't just Google, find everything, and keep working on his task. There is no request analytics, and it should be, because we are in 2023. And this solution should work well over the bull market and bear market. Otherwise, we need to fire and hire tens of DevRel engineers all the time. And it should be automated. That's where a sister steps in. We allow to upload existing documentation from protocol side, create a vector database, and then connect it to Telegram, Discord, or web application bots, which would be serve community needs automatically. And that's how we achieve improved developer experience with omni-channel support, with response waiting time decreasing, automated support, and high-level analytics that allows us to find gaps in tech documentation and improve general experience. That's we already implemented. We already launched it on Solana a couple of weeks ago. The community and DevRel engineers are really excited. People want to use it. People enjoying our product. And right now we are preparing new version, like version 2.0 next week. But it's not enough. We figure out that we need human in the loop, because human in the loop from communities, they have better experience, they have diverse expertise, they can provide support for each other, for their peers, and they can feed our model with regular updates. Because as sister, we can train and upskill our model, but we still need to have this contribution of data and contribution of updates on tech documentation. And we are ready to reward. That's what we are going to focus on. Compared to OpenAI solution and other solutions that exist in the market, our differentiation, we are focused totally on developers. We are omni-channel. We have our own DevRel platform with analytics and insight. And also we have Web3 native community incentivization mechanics that is unique for our solution. Right now, we generate revenue as a B2B SaaS startup with basic startup and enterprise level clients, depending on amount of developers that we serve, amount of queries, and amount of channels that we support. We passed Outlier Venture Acceleration program. We start working with Solana. We just gonna start working with Near this week. And
Please note, you have 1 minute left. Please continue.
And with a couple more smaller protocols. Right now, we're focused on scaling our monthly recurring revenue. And for the 2024 year, we're going to focus on token-led growth and finding our strong product market fit. We have a team who experiences problems firsthand. As being a head of ecosystem growth, I know how complicated it is to onboard and support developers, while my co-founders, Kelson and Dima, they both know how complicated it is to lead or manage and develop different products when you have weak documentation, fragmented documentation, or something is missing, you're just waiting when someone will support you. We have amazing partners, we have part-time contributors, and we target to raise 1.5 million based on safe and token warrant. It would be enough to have 2 years runway, onboard protocols from our pipeline, and find strong product market fit. If our mission empowered the next million of Web3 developers to build a product without spending a second on searching docs or waiting on manual support, it's something that resonates you, give me a direct message. My contact is your QR code. And thank you for your attention.
Yes, thank you, Nick, for this top-notch showcase. It's a pleasure to have you on today. And on behalf of Masterblocks, I have one question. So what is your go-to-market strategy?
Yeah, as I mentioned, we already start working with Solana. Right now, we're kicking off our next big client for us. It's Near ecosystem. And we have already more than 5 protocols who are on the stage when we're chatting and discussing this collaboration. So our goal would be by the end of this year to have this 5 integration with big protocol, big ecosystems, to get the access to the dev community and to have the access to other smaller projects which already exist in that ecosystem. So as soon as we will automated product for their needs, we will start scaling next year. And also we want to add this community-led community incentivization mechanics, which allow us to incentivize community members to feed and update and improve the quality of our bots, of our models over the time.
Lovely. Many thanks for clarifying. I also have a question from Alex Kravansko from Aurora. How is the token issued in this project?
Like right now, it's something that we're gonna design at this point of time. Early version, it would be just basically tokens native for ecosystems that we are working with. For example, if we're going to work with Aurora or if we're going to work with Near, we can create basically reward how it's called, like reward bank or wallet, and it would be distributing tokens native to the community. So for example, if you as a developer contribute to the quality of model on Near, you would get some portion of Near's as a thank you for highlighting when model hallucinating or highlighting when the model provides wrong responses. Or if you want to feed our model with additional data, with additional information, you will also get some portion of this reward.
Loud and clear. I have one more question coming up from Alexander. What is the TAM size?
It depends how to calculate. At this point of time, we calculate that at bear market 2 months ago, we did this calculation. Protocols already spent $250 million per year on DevRel. And it's like manual, as I already described. If the market will go up, we can expect that this, like only in Web3 space, we would have like 10, 20 times more expenses. But in terms of general generative AI agents that target support use case that we are serving, it's going to be $86 billion, which is super big, but it's combined Web 2 and Web 3 space. So we are starting, our go-to-market is Web 3, but we are not limited to Web 3 because this model of crowdsourcing to the community, DevRel and support function, it could work for any developer-facing company which exists in the world. And there is like pretty big number of developers, pretty big number of developer-facing companies that we can serve.
Understood. We have time left for one more question. I am very pleased to ask a question on behalf of Julia from EvoInvest. So the token utility, is it only dedicated to rewards or is there an additional utility?
Like, it's very early days that we start thinking about tokens because we launched product and we were targeting purely finding product market fit as a B2B SaaS. While token scenario is something that we have discussion with couple clients. So it's something that need to be iterated. I just not ready to respond for this question at this point.
That is totally fine. I really appreciate your time today, Nick. It was a top-notch pitch, and we will be moving on to the next one. So wish you all the best with developments, and till later.
Thank you.